Okay, let's see just how many things I buy today. I came here for one thing. I need wire to add and modify some accessories that I've put onto my truck and that I'm going to be adding to the truck. So let's see what Princess Auto has for us today. When it starts with needing a shopping cart, you know it's going to be good. Don't forget to grab a coffee. Time to browse. Gonna need some of these connectors. Really wish they had 10 gauge and 8 gauge and bigger spools. We're gonna have to work with what we got here today. So my camera died in that store, but I'll have you know that I did make it out of there with just buying the wire and a few connectors. And that is absolutely amazing. I did look at everything, but I only left with what I went there for. Always a good time paying Princess Auto a visit, grabbing a coffee, browsing around. Go there with a little extra time, because it's a good time.